Hear that? That is the roar of a C8 Z51 Corvette. But can these action cameras handle it? We strapped 8 different cameras to the outside of the Vette to test image stabilization and, more importantly, wind noise. I'm going to clean up the audio so that you can enjoy the ride, but watch for the raw audio tag on the screen. That's when we will unleash the real wind and engine noise so you can judge the mics yourself. It's the ultimate high-speed camera shootout. Let's go and make some noise. So as you can see, the real audio sign is still on because as good as I think I am at tech, there's always the day which reminds you you're really just not that good. I could not fix the wind noise on this audio and still have the cool sounds of the Corvette. So I've put on repeat here, still the real sound, just a shot of throttle as I turn around and start to head back. And then at the end here, as we roll the credits, I'm going to include some cool startup throttle sound just so you can hear that raw, just, without any wind at all. You can hear that as we go out. Obviously, there are links for all of these cameras, both on the screen and they've been down in the description below. Please take advantage of those. We do make a small affiliate commission, and I'm going to say thank you in advance for that. And remember, if I've added some value, please like the video, follow, smash that hype feature if we're here on YouTube, and put in the comments, what do you think? Which was your favorite camera? Which is your favorite Corvette? Any of those fun things, put them in the comment. Let's talk about it. I hope this was fun and helpful. I'll see you in the next video.